Hello, Chef here, and today I'm talking to you about diamond stones for sharpening versus whetstones. Diamond stones are newer, they haven't been around as long, and they're faster, a little more aggressive. Whetstones are, well, Japanese. I guess they've been around a lot longer, thousands of years. And they're made from crushed stone, molded and shaped into bricks like this. This is a brand new one here. This is an 800 grit. A little aggressive, a little coarse, but man, a really nice sharpening stone and not expensive. This one's a bit more expensive, a little bit bigger. This is a 3000 grit. The finer you go, the more you pay. Normally, it's just more manufacturing. So that's it. The diamond stones are a little faster, a little more aggressive. These are self-cleaning with the dots on them. They work really well. They're made in the USA. All the cheaper ones out there made in China. There's all different kinds of sharpening stones out there. You get what you pay for, and that's it. It depends on which kind of knife you're using. If you're using an expensive Japanese knife like this, it's very fine, thin blade. I highly recommend you using Japanese whetstones. Okay, move it about to the middle or so. That clip gives you the right angle on the stone. It's about 15 degrees, but the angle doesn't matter that much. It's consistency. Every single stroke is the same. So you can use the clip if you want to. I'm going to be doing this freestyle without the clips, and I'll be right back. Starting with a 1000 grit and a little splash of water on the stone as well. And all we do is go from the heel to the tip, like this. Okay, this cleaver's already sharper. Now, we're going to move to the 3000 grit, splash of water. Okay, we're going to finish with the 8000 grit. Okay, a little water on there, same thing. Now you're wondering if that cleaver's sharp. Let's do a quick test here. Piece of paper. Yeah, it's getting there. Grits, maybe 1500, 3000, 8000, like that, okay, for really good knives. If you got your everyday beaters or your neighbor's knives or, you know, giveaways or the cheap garbage you buy in retail stores, then diamond stones are perfect for you. Once again, I find myself sharpening knives. Diamond whetstone sharpeners. They work great. This particular one is a very high quality hardwood cherry box. The box locks it in place, stores it, protects it, and these last about forever. They really, it's just like crazy glued or caulked on there with some rubber feet. Keeps it from wiggling around. The box does about the same thing. So anyway, this has been used for years. To clean it, a little wet cloth like this. That's the steel from the last use. If you want to use it wet, you just put a few drops of water. If you want to use it dry, that's fine too. Just take your knife, approximately a 15-degree angle. You can hear how aggressive it is. The red is 600 grit. The green is 1200 grit. You're wondering if this knife's sharp from those few strokes right there? Yeah. I think it's pretty sharp. What do you think? They're faster, you save time, they take more metal off. Doesn't really matter, then that's what you're looking for. So these are them. You can get them all at the sponsor. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day. One of the things I may have not mentioned to you very closely is that the clips, the guide clips, give you the perfect angle, and they are stainless steel. They last for years and years and years. Plastic lined, Doesn't hurt the knife, doesn't scratch the knife. This knife's titanium. It's made in Japan. Very, very expensive. You just take the clip and slide it right over near the tip, right there. Now you got the perfect angle. So the angle is very important. You flip it over and you want both sides to hit your whetstone you're using. But like for instance, here's a diamond, very fast, very aggressive, right there. Perfect angle. And I'm not scratching my knife. So right there, just like this. Flip it over. Okay, you get the hang of it and you can go fast and it gives you the right angle. Sharp. Don't forget to click that little like button right down there so that we know you like the video and you want to see more.